jacket. Okay, so first you're going to just baste around the shoulder pad so it does not, the layer does not come off, and we always put it on the top so we can see the white part. And then if you fold it right here, there is a notch there. If you fold it, you see one side is longer, so that side that is longer must be sewed to the back of the jacket. So here it is, our seam is clean, and we cut it our armhole around 1/2 inch, and we put this one right, see here, the center, that notch has to match your shoulder seam right in here. So we put it right there, we bring it all the way to the top, and I am going to put a pin right there on the other side. Then I'm going to turn it this way, and because it's easier on hand, so I can see my final seam on my jacket, and I'm going to match it the same as my shoulder pad here. And let's go closer here so I can explain it to him too. So here it is, so we do that here. And then we are going to put this one here on the other side, the front side. Still see, as you see, all the way around it is matching your seam that you cut at 1/2 inch armhole seam to your shoulder pad here. Now, then here it is, okay? Then once we do that one, we are going to turn it to this side, and we have a notch in the center of them. Right in here, we are going to pin it to our shoulder line, and then we tack it. First, we are going to go and sew the shoulder pad. How we are going to do that? Make sure that you hold it straight like that, yeah, here and here, and then have a right thread, the same color thread, but double it. Okay, here. And start from the very beginning, Raymond, look, from the very beginning, but you have to sew it right above. It's black, it might be hard to see, but it is right under above your seam. You need to follow that one. So I'm going to start right in here. See here, I'm just right above it. It's not even 1/8 of an inch, it's just right above it. You don't want to do it below it because it will show. You want to do it right above the seam here. And then step by step, you take one pin off here. And you try to take as much as you can on the width of your shoulder pad. If some of the shoulder pads are too wide and too thick, if you don't, just grab as much as you can, because we already sewed the shoulder pad together so they don't come off here. And don't pull it. Make sure that your seam is softly loose, comfortably, yeah. And then go right to here. And from time to time, I go even back seam, so it will be more secure. Yeah. So dry cleaner cannot mess it up. Yeah. And then after, few stitches, I just go a little bit, make it comfortable. Take this one off. We don't put no bubble, nothing there. And right in here, look. Now here that I'm almost to the thickness, the most thicker part of the shoulder pad, and my needle might not go all the way. You don't have to go all the way there. You just grab it as much as softly as much as you can. So you know your sleeve, your armhole is going to be sewed, connected to shoulder pad here. Yeah. Yeah. We're almost there. Here and here. Do you see? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And then here. Couple of more stitches, we are done. And then I'm go ahead and make it a little bit comfy here. Not too loose, but it should not be pulling the thread. Here. Just a little bit in here, right there. We are almost to the end of our shoulder pad here, and then go ahead and put few more stitches there so it does not come off. And ta-da, we are done. Where is the clipper, please? Yeah. Now, immediately right after that, you can do it now or you can do it after. Remember, we pinned it in here. We can go ahead and sew it right now, or we can wait and see how well our shoulder pad is. Turn it to the other side. See here, all you need to do, hold it with your hand and pull the sleeve down here. That's it. This is the thing. This is a good, and then look at it to see if you see any flaws there, any stitches that is not straight, and you never press it. You just give it a shape with your finger like that. So now that we like that one and it's fine and the shoulder is fine, so we go back to the other side and we go ahead and attach this one to the shoulder. I put my needle here. I think that much thread is enough here. All we need, just tack it a little bit here. Ouch, don't. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. If you have room, go ahead and do another one. Here. Here, done. And that, oops. Hold on to this one, you need it for the other one. Take it off and then see how beautiful your sleeve look like. Right now, immediately after that, you're going to go and sew your lining, tack your lining to your shoulder pad, so you will be done and you will not be forgetting that. So here it is. Put a pin there. Okay, put a pin there and make sure that it is on the center. You can go that side or you can sew the same side. No, it's not onto the center, so we are going to have that one. It's more like in here, and then put it like that. A little bit more. A little bit more. That's what is the other side would be, and make it a little bit easier. That's good. It went to the seam. Now, here that it is there, you can go into the seam and grab it and do it right in here, or you can go to the other side and match it. But your lining is a little bit longer. Go ahead and do it right in here. Right in here. If you want to do it neat. And then you need to press this one. You know, you need your jacket, you need to press it step by step. Every step you need to press it. So here it is. I'm holding it like that. And I'm just taking so little of the thing there here, right into the line. Hold on your thread. You don't want that knot to be there. And then one in here. It should not be visible, your seam. Nobody should be able to see it. If you cannot do that, then you need to go from the other side to the other side and do it. Yeah. And here. One more. And you are pretty much good, safe in here. We cut it in here and we cut it right in here. And you hold on to this one. Again, we go back and we try it. Taste it to see if it's good. Yes, it is good. You can go ahead and press it at the presser right in here, but you cannot get close to around here. Like here, if you wanted to, you can put, you know, a little bit steam it, a little bit steam it right there, but don't get close to your line of the seam. That is good. Do go ahead and do the other one, then we learn